Before a brand can be seen, it must be felt. Welcome back, creatives. Today, we're diving into the art of logo design. This one is for Gather and Grow, a farm-to-fork restaurant that embraces sustainability, warmth, and community. A great logo isn't just pretty, it's purposeful. For a farm-to-fork restaurant, we need something rooted in nature, simple yet memorable, versatile across menus, signs, and digital platforms. Starting off in Illustrator, we'll add some text to our blank canvas. Typography is key. We're choosing rustic serif fonts that feel crafted and these are the ones that personify what we're going for the most. The grooves in this font are similar to how plants normally sprout out. This is our chosen font. Holding Ctrl, Shift, and O will create outlines to make it easier to edit the text. Grabbing the pencil tool, we'll form little leaf shapes at the ends of some letters. This is the end result. Okay, we have our main logo. Let's make a logo mark. We'll grab a letter that stands out to us the most. In this case, it'll be the T and the G. We'll just rearrange them to see which layout is best. I think this would look nice as a pattern, but let's go with this one. Let's make a copy of this to try out some of the colors from our chosen stylescape. Let's make a gradient with the darker shade at the bottom. For this logo, we are exploring warm and organic shapes for a rustic over-the-table feel, like farm-fresh ingredients on a plate. And here it is, the final logo for Gather and Glow. Clean, timeless, and packed with meaning. Stay tuned for the last video in this series where we turn this logo into custom brand asset. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.